Hai, Assalamualaikum to Encik Muhammad Zulfahmi. My name is Muhammad Babe Muhammad Ikram. My matrix number is 06DSB20F2042. Okay, I will explain about characteristic. Okay, for processor 2.3HG 8 core Intel i7 11800H processor, turbo boost up to 4.6 Hg with 24 MB of case. For OS, free update to Windows 11 when available. Come with Windows 10 Home. Okay, for display 70.3 FHD 360 SZ100 RGB 6mm bezel, individually factory calibrated 3ms response rate. For graphic, NVIDIA default RTX 3070 8GB DDR6 RAM. Okay, for storage 1TB PC Gen 4 NVMe upgradable to 4TB plus open M.2 slot, support 2 side and NVMe upgradable to 4TB SSD. For memory 60GB DDR4 3200 mAh dual channel memory slotted. For keyboard, anti-ghosting per key black lighting powered by Razer Roma. For connectivity, Intel wireless Wi-Fi 6E AX 210. And last, battery and adapter 70.5 WHR 4583 mAh 340G 2 cell and 200 watt power adapter. Okay, and for input and output, 2 Thunderbolt for USB-C, 1 USB-C 3.2 Gen to support power delivery 350 watt, and 3 USB 3.2 Gen 2 for finish. T6 CNC aluminium anodized black with illuminated Razer logo. For weight 2.75 kg and 6.06 IBS. For additional features, 1080p FHD camera, support window halo. That's for me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Diwanjing and my matrix number is 06DSP20F2020. Now I'm going to talk about configuring your Razer Black Pro 17. First, the Synapse tab is your default tab when you first launch Razer Synapse. And the dashboard sub-tab is an overview of your Razer Synapse where you can access all your Razer device, modules, and also online service. And next is the modules sub-tab, display all installed and available modules for installation, which is Chroma Connect, Chroma Visualizer, Macro, Chroma Studio, and also Hue. In next, global shortcut, find operation or Razer Synapse tree function to custom key combination from any Razer Synapse enabled device input, which apply across all device profile. The System tab is your default tab when you first install Razer Synapse. This tab allows you to customize your device profile, key assignments, gaming mode settings, trackpad option, lighting, and also power saving feature. The System tab is your default tab when you first install Razer Synapse. This tab allows you to customize your device profile, key assignments, gaming mode settings, trackpad option, lighting, and also power saving feature. Profile is a data storage for keeping all your Razer device settings. By default, the profile name is based on your system name. To add, rename, duplicate, or delete a profile, simply press the profile corresponding miscellaneous button. The gaming mode enables you to customize which key to disable when gaming mode is activated. Depending on your setting, you may choose to disable the window key, alternate with tab, and alternate with F4. And hypershift mode is a secondary set of key assignments that is activated when the hypershift key is held down. By default, the hypershift key is assigned to the function key of your device. However, you can also assign any key as a hypershift key. Function key primary allows you to switch between the primary key and secondary key. Primary key are activated with a single key press, while secondary key require an additional step pressing the function key. About trackpad properties, use the link under this option to set a scroll behavior, change the touchpad delay, edit gesture, access cursor pointing option, and other advanced features. Inter-device allows you to change the functionality of other Razer Synapse-enabled devices. Some of these functionalities are device-specific, such as using your Razer Gaming keyboard to change the sensitivity stage of your Razer Gaming mouse. The switch profile enables you to quickly change profile and load a new set of key assignments, and on-screen notification will appear whenever you switch profile. And switch lighting allows you to easily switch between all advanced lighting effects. This function will only be visible when the Chroma Studio module is installed. Next, setting the key to Razer Hypershift will allow you to activate Hypershift mode as long as the key is held down. About the launch program enables you to open an application or a website using the assigned key. When you select Launch Program, two choices will appear which require you to search for a specific application you want to open or write the address of the website you want to visit. About the multimedia, this option allows you to assign multimedia controls to your Razer device. Listed below are the multimedia controls you can choose from: volume up and down, mute volume, mic volume up, mic volume down, mute mic, mute all, play or pause, previous track and next track. And the window shortcut, this option allows you to assign your preferred key into a Windows operating system shortcut command. And the text function enables you to type a pre-written text with a touch of a key. Simply write your desired text on the given file and your text will be typed whenever the assigned key is pressed. This function has full Unicode support, and you can also insert special symbol from character maps. And the last is function disable. This option renders the assigned key unusable. Use disable if you don't want to use the selected key or if it interferes with your gaming. That's all for me. Now I will pass to Jazamuddin to talk about compare. Thank you.
My name is Jazamuddin bin Azhari, and now we will go to the difference between Razer Blade Pro 17 and Acer Nitro 5. Alright, what are the main difference between advantage of Razer Blade 17 and Acer Nitro 5? Okay, the first is for the performance. The Razer Blade Pro 17 has a much better process than the Acer Nitro 5. For the graphic display, the Blade Pro 17 has a better performing graphic card and also has a higher resolution screen 4K and has a large screen. The screen refresh rate of the Razer Blade 17 is higher at 316 compared to 144 Hz. The number of USB Type-C ports is highest at 2 compared to 1. This Razer Blade 17 can also run popular games at 10 to 14 14% higher FPS, about 16% better multi-core CPU performance in the Kimbits R23 test. Razer Blade also has a large battery, 23% versus 57.5 watt hours. This Razer laptop high span PCI expense game for interface. So that's all for me, and thank you.
Hello everyone, it's Alia Uzma here, and I'm gonna be talking about the pros on some of the features on this Razer Blade 17 Pro. Firstly, let's take a look on the design of this laptop. Looks pretty in black, right? Still, it maintains the all aluminum body, which claims to be anti-scratch with a sleek matte finishing. It comes with a built-in Razer Green logo on the back of the screen, and not to forget on the ports as well. And for those out there who tends to drop your laptop or just simply too harsh, then this laptop is for you. Next, I'm going to point out the elements that stand out the most, well, at least for most of us. Here is the thin 6mm bezels. I promise you that this laptop have an excellent display with a very wide angle, and the 4K resolution with 120Hz touchscreen, which set the standard high for it and appears in a really premium quality you can ever have. Plus, there's also a webcam on the top center of the bezels. Talking about the portability of this laptop, it is very lightweight and easy to carry. Despite having a wide screen that is 17.3 inch, it weighs only 2.75 kg, which is really impressive for a gaming laptop. Overall, the keyboard and touchpad is quite average, even with a wide frame, but still, it runs smoothly. The keys have a nice jounce, and the travel distance for the touchpad is just nice, even it's lacking in number pads, but it is really not that bad. And lastly, the speakers lies horizontally on the sides of the keyboard, which is one of the eccentric features of this brand. Well, at least the sound is good enough. So that's all what I can say, and I hope you guys will get some idea on what's good and what's not. So there's more on that from the next presenter, and thank you very much for listening.